we will guide you through how to save Photoshop pictures as JPEG. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Adobe Photoshop and load the Photoshop project you want to save as a JPEG image. Before starting the export, make sure the image is completely finished and ready to be saved in its final form. Take a moment to check the image dimensions and review the overall appearance, making sure the composition, details, and edits look correct. When everything is ready, open the File menu from the top of Photoshop and select Save a Copy to create a separate copy of the finished image. Choose the location where you want to save the image, such as a folder that is easy to find later. After selecting the location, open the Save as Type drop-down menu and look through the available file formats. Select JPEG as the file format, so Photoshop will create a standard image file that can be opened and shared easily. Next, enter a clear and suitable name for the exported image, making sure it is easy to recognize when you look for the file later. Once the name is correct, click Save to continue with the JPEG export. Photoshop will then display the JPEG Options dialog box. In the JPEG Options dialog box, review the quality setting and adjust it if necessary. A higher quality setting generally keeps more image detail, while a lower setting can create a smaller file. So choose the level that fits how you plan to use the image. After checking the quality and other JPEG export settings, confirm the settings and save the image. Wait for Photoshop to finish creating the JPEG file before moving on. Finally, go to the location where you saved the image and check the new JPEG file by opening it. Make sure the file opens correctly and that the image looks as expected, with the details and overall appearance matching the finished Photoshop project.